All right, so found a product at Napa called Weld Through Primer, and it sprays on exactly like zinc weld, which I've used before. It looks exactly like zinc weld. So I sprayed some up in the cut frame channel on both sides there, and that should help with some corrosion later down the road. I'm just going to grind it all back off on the outside where I'm going to be welding around the outside. So these nuts are on the wrong side. This would be the front of the hitch, and the bolts go in through the back. And so this one right here would run into the sway bar, and so I just popped it off of there. But I think I'm gonna not be lazy, and I'm going to pop the rest of these off, and we're gonna weld them to the other side. Take two. Now we can just weld them on the other side. Have the bolts going through the front. Be a lot easier to take the hitch on and off. All right, it's been a couple days here in Dogwood Canyon. Beautiful Dogwood Canyon, that is. And we are going to weld in some gussets. I was having a gas issue with the regulator for a little while. Not that type of gas issue. We're going to redo some of these welds on the back and the front. This is where I had the gas issue. I kind of ground that out. We're going to re-weld that. These are a little bit cold, but they're okay. A gusset on each side in the back, and then one in the front that ties in the frame and down to the actual mount. Randy stopped by to help with some welding, and he hit a deer in Colorado, and so he had some front end damage. Yep. And he did some upgrades.
Here's another upgrade I have here too. This winch cover I made, and I can use these wing nuts to take it off to get to the winch line.
Nice.
But it protects the winch line when it's not being used.
That's cool. He's got these cool sequential side markers there, turn signals. He also has giant tires.
If you look in here, you'll see that it looks like I have the original fenders. These are actually gutted. Okay. So none of the original inner fender liners there, and only about an inch of this outside fender.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to wheel with any of these guys anymore because they all have giant tires now. And I'm on the puny little 35-inch tires. And yeah. But anyways, congratulations, Randy.
We'll just carry lots of ropes to tow him out.
Ilya, Kelly.
Oh, and Chris is on what, 58 or something?
Chris
50
with the LMTV. It's on like 90-inch tires. Anyways, I'm a little jealous, but congratulations.
I don't know, man. It's a 37s, baby.
Randy's gonna tack on some gussets. We're gonna see how he does welding after 100 years.
About 107.
30 years, maybe. Got the rest of this pretty well welded in. You can see over here, we've got the gusset there. Filled in some areas over here. Get a little bit closer. Is that in the same spot? Is it? Is that in a good spot? A little longer. Get in there a little bit closer. Like that. Right up in it. A little bit more. Perfect. Alright, same thing up here. Right there at that angle, right where it touches, right in the crack. Perfect. Gonna get one right there. Yeah. Hold on, what's up? Okay, right there, right in the crack. Yeah, kind of.
I kept going so I could see where I was going.
Alright, go ahead.
That didn't sound right. Oh, I wasn't on it, that's why.
Get it?
Is that you?
Alright, that's good. Don't mess with it.
Oh, the bottom one.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay.
So, you want to try to burn in the bottom section?
Sure.
Now, you know how we're going to change the angle a little bit. Pretty close. Go ahead, little circles all the way down. You're not in the center.
Right. I'm too far this way.
Try to control your hand.
Okay.
Okay? Look. That's it.
Oh, I got it.
There, hold it both hands.
Hold it. Yeah. Wow.
See how you did. Yeah, okay, a little too quick.
Oh, too fast. Okay.
A little too fast. That's okay though.
Means it's kind of a, what do you call it?
That's good though. I mean, that's.
cold one.
Yeah, it's not that cold. It's just a little too fast.
Okay.
Yeah. That's alright.
Oh, wow.
Alright,
Oh, I
smaller,
was too far away right there.
smaller C's
Okay.
and a little bit closer. Alright, here I'll burn in the rest of this video. This is overhead welding. This is a little trickier. A little trickier. I was a little too far away, but that's alright. It looks nice.
Yeah, that looks really good. Wow.
We got it all welded up. We went ghost on Randy. I grabbed his hand and I guided him just like Patrick Swayze and Demi Moore.
Such a beautiful feeling.
And now he has the feel for the welding. And
And a
so
new
now
best
he can do it on his own. And he actually has the same little welder that I have. We fixed all the bad welds and we made some good welds. Got these gusseted in on both sides.
So utilize those to be factory looking.
I love this VHT.
Dude, that's way nicer than the spray cans I'm using. That's like high temp barbecue paint.
It's engine enamel,
engine
high
enamel.
temp.
Gotcha.
Yeah, matte finish. Good stuff.
Mm-hmm. It just goes on so much nicer than the Rust-Oleum.
Oh, I love this stuff.
Oops, cut your bumper.
Hey, you get that spot where I hit that huge rock?
Oh yeah, you'll get this one too.
Awesome. Perfect. Perfect blend.
There we go.
Oh, we gotta put the grill on this Jeep here.
The only thing is you only did 6 slots.
Oh, this one doesn't have 6?
Oh, the openings. Oh, okay, yeah. No, you're right, because that's the opening, not the actual slot. There we go. You actually have 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
close enough.
5 slots.
Close enough for Halloween.
Exactly.
I should have just bought the Kurt hitch and just bolted it on there. Would have saved me like 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be the same quality.